It doesn't matter who you are, we could all use a few extra bucks. If you don't know what you're looking at, you could accidentally spend one of these coins that are worth a lot more money than just their face value. Let's take this Jefferson nickel for example that sold for $26,375.50. This is a 1964 Jefferson nickel that graded by Pcgs a specimen 68 with the full steps on the back, and it's an SMS, meaning special mint set. Quite the mouthful there, but I'm going to break it down for you right now. So a good rule of thumb is the older your Jefferson nickel is and the better the condition is, the more money it's going to be worth. If you flip the coin over, you're going to see at the center of the coin there are full steps. Those full steps are the highest point on the coin, and they're really hard to strike, so they get worn down the quickest, and collectors really like collecting these type of coins. Next, this is a special mint set coin, so it was never meant to go out into circulation. Usually special mint set coins go right into a collection, so chances of you finding this in a collection are much more likely. Also, this one graded by Pcgs at the 68 grade. That's only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70, allowing this coin to sell for just over $26,000. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed, so you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Here we have a 1932D 25-cent Washington quarter graded by PCGS, a mint state 66, and it sold for $82,250, and this is why. It's important to know that 1932 was the first year they ever produced these Washington quarters. If you flip this coin over and look in the back bottom center of the coin, you're going to see a small little D mint mark. That D mint mark stands for the Denver mint where this coin was minted. Some mints produced more coins than other mints. It's a simple supply and demand thing. When there are mints that produce less coins, that means typically there's going to be more demand. 1932 had a relatively low production run. Even if your quarter is in a low grade, it's still going to be worth a lot more money than just 25 cents. But if it grades very highly like this one, you could be in for a treat because again, this one sold for $82,250. Here we have a 1999 S 25-cent Delaware silver quarter graded by PCGS, a proof 70, and it sold for $3,450. First thing you need to know is, how do you know if you have a proof coin? Well, the backdrop or the field of the coin is going to be like a mirror. Proof coins don't always bring more money than regularly issued coins, but it does happen sometimes. The biggest thing here is the fact that it graded at the proof 70 grade, which is a very, very hard grade to get. It is essentially like gambling if you're trying to hit this grade. There has to be absolutely no flaws on the coin. Just because this one graded at the perfect grade allowed it to sell for $3,450. If you want to learn more about coin grading, handling, and values, I have a completely free ebook. All you have to do is click the link below, but you don't have to do that. All you got to do is keep doing your homework and research. But let's hop into this next coin. Here we have a 1968 10-cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a proof 69 that sold for $45,600. So the biggest thing here is the fact that it's a proof coin. Again, the backdrop or the feel of the coin is like a mirror, but why did it sell for so much money? Well, the reality is this coin should have had an S mint mark around the date there, but it did not. Do not get this coin confused by a Philadelphia minted coin that has no P mint mark, because those coins don't have P mint marks anywhere on them. What you need to know is that if you have a coin with a background like a mirror and it's from 1968 and it's missing the S mint mark, you could have a coin with a lot of money because this one sold for $45,600. Here we have a 1944 S 1 cent coin struck on a zinc coated steel planchet graded by PCGS, a mint state 66 with a CAG sticker. It sold for $408,000. That's right guys, $408,000, and here's why. So during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned the coins into a different zinc coated steel planchet. Now what happened was they transitioned from bronze to zinc and then from zinc to bronze, but this coin accidentally got struck on that zinc coated steel planchet when it should have been struck on a bronze planchet when they were transitioning back into bronze. If you have a coin like this, it could be fake, but if it's real, you're in for a treat because this example sold for $408,000. YouTube knows the best video for you to watch right now, and it's on the screen, so make sure you click on that video and I'll see you inside.